I'm Mark Gregory. I'm designing this year's RHS Hampton Court planet-friendly garden. I'm an RHS ambassador for landscaping. The challenge was to basically show how 30 million gardeners can have a massive impact on the climate change that we're doing. We're towards the final stages of our build-up and we're really excited to open the gardens on Monday. This garden is really packed full of take-home ideas. It's a kind of yin-yang design. It's a walk-through space. We've packed it full of really good plant combinations, pollinators. We've got a kind of swale area, which is a low area, which obviously with our floodings that we get, how gardeners can actually adapt their planting to survive temporary water. We've got these water bowls, which basically are a message of how we should look after water. So it's full of information that I hope the RHS visiting public will enjoy.